Hi everyone, Peter from Trolley Emporium here. So in this video we're going to be making a creepy Halloween scene. So you're going to need your plate, tissue paper, white card, black card, scissors, yellow pencil, some felted pens, glue and a craft stick. So we're going to start off by making a little cut on the plate to make a little gap. So just like this. Like that. Next, you're going to get the tissue paper and we're going to tear this up into tiny pieces. And now we're going to stick it to this middle bit using your glue. So just do a bit at a time, plenty of glue on. So the next step is we're going to get the black card and then we need a 10cm strip cutting off. Save the other piece because that's for doing the cat. So this piece is going to create the scene and then a bit of it will create the back. So you're going to want to draw it out. You can just use the pencil. So do it from the back and then we can flip it over and then you won't see the pencil. So we're just going to do some hills and maybe a little house at one end. Maybe a little cross at the top. And then you just want to cut this out. So we can flip that over and this is going to go at the bottom. If you just want to use your yellow pencil again and just draw some windows on your house. Looks like somebody's in. going to put some glue on it, on the back of it, along the bottom edge. And then we're just going to stick it along the bottom here. Next, we're going to draw out the bat. So just use the leftover bit of card you've got, and then just draw a bat shape. And just cut him out. Turn him over, there's your bat, and then we're just going to stick that to the craft stick. There it is. So pop a bit of glue on your craft stick, stick him on. So next you just want to put the bat in there. Now you want to take a bit of your yellow card, white card, sorry, and then you just want to cut a piece off. This is going to be your moon, and then you can do whatever moon type you want. I'm just going to do like a little crescent moon. And we just stick that down. And there you go. You're all done.